Alright, so here we're in the kitchen cooking like a Jamaican. Yeah, man. And do it. So here we have the chickens. Oh, light. So you can go some boom. Yeah. Place the chicken them in the sauce. Country style chicken. Stew chicken. Yeah, man. So we kind of fry the chicken first. What's your rice and peas, man? Fry the chicken and then we cook it down. So this gunga rice and peas. Alright. So this is what I cook in the kitchen. You can cover it down. Pay attention now. So now I take it off of the stove. I know I'm going to eat some of that food there. I now left till it done. I mean, so none there for me, enough not there. Yep. Cooking like a Jamaican. This is a Jamaican kitchen. Let me share up a video. Share up a live. Share live on Facebook. Alright. Good. Yeah, man, so live in the kitchen, you know, it's Sunday. We Jamaican don't play rice and peas and chicken or curry goat or pork or fish, but a chicken in there this week. Sure, no, I go on and feel like a joke now up on you. See it? Some light. Alright. What's it on? How long did that take before it gets ready?
I'm good. You're watching your story too?
Yeah, they know what you expect. Yeah, cook like a Jamaican. So I don't want to be a chef, you know, it's a real Jamaican chef. Born and grown in the kitchen. Why are we using the sauce? You can't tell me that. That's not a killer. So we use ketchup, onion, tomato, all of the seasoning them to make a flavor. Little browning, I don't want it too red, I want it too dark. And you can put various herbs and spice based on your like. Now let's put fish and meat sauce tonight. Yeah. Watch the pot boil. Watch the pot boil. I don't like it.
Much it reach?
4.
And you don't put the young pot.
Yeah, go on the thing. Rice and peas, chicken. Within the next 15 minutes this will be complete. So put the chicken, fry the chicken, make up the sauce, beat a boil, put the chicken light, 15 minutes and thick up the flavor up. That's it. Stew chicken, country style chicken, rice and peas.